Here I have Samsung Galaxy M14 and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the accessibility section and then go to the TalkBack. So here you can enable TalkBack like this, tap allow, and after that TalkBack tutorial starts.
Welcome to TalkBack, page 1 of 5. TalkBack is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. You can turn TalkBack on or off by holding both volume keys for several seconds. When TalkBack is on, the focused item on the screen is spoken out loud. Swiping right will move to the next item, and swiping left will move to the previous item. Swipe right now to find the next button.
So, as you can hear, TalkBack is a feature made primarily for people with blindness or some other vision problems who have some difficulty seeing the screen, because it works the way that it speaks out loud text on your screen when you tap on it. So to operate your device in TalkBack mode, firstly you have to select some action, then it will be spoken out loud, and then you have to just double tap anywhere on the screen to confirm it, just like this.
Close button. Double tap to activate.
You double tap, close, double tap.
Allow TalkBack to TalkBack.
Okay, so if you want to disable it,
TalkBack on
switch, double tap, turn off.
TalkBack off.
And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.